Welcome to the 2025 Guide to Etoro Watchlist, a powerful tool designed to help you track and monitor your favorite assets and make informed investment decisions. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of creating and managing your watchlist on Etoro. First, let's start with the basics. A watchlist is a personalized list of assets that you want to keep an eye on, including stocks, commodities, currencies, and cryptocurrencies. To create a watchlist on Etoro, log into your account and click on the Watchlist tab. From there, you can search for assets by name or symbol and add them to your list. Once you have added assets to your watchlist, you can customize the layout to suit your needs. You can choose to view the current price, daily change, and market capitalization of each asset. You can also set up alerts to notify you when an asset reaches a certain price or experiences a significant change in value. One of the key benefits of using a watchlist is that it allows you to track multiple assets at once and make comparisons between them. For example, if you are interested in investing in tech stocks, you can add companies like Apple, Amazon, and Google to your watchlist and compare their performance over time. Another important feature of the Etoro watchlist is the ability to create multiple lists. This allows you to categorize your assets by sector, industry, or investment strategy. For example, you can create a list for dividend stocks, another for growth stocks, and another for cryptocurrencies. To get the most out of your watchlist, it's essential to stay up to date with market news and trends. Etoro provides a range of research tools and resources, including news feeds, analyst reports, and market analysis. You can also follow other investors and traders on the platform to see what they are buying and selling. In terms of best practices, it's a good idea to review and update your watchlist regularly. This will help you to stay focused on your investment goals and make adjustments as needed. It's also important to diversify your portfolio by including a range of assets from different sectors and industries. In conclusion, the Etoro watchlist is a powerful tool that can help you to track and manage your investments with ease. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create a personalized watchlist that meets your needs and helps you to achieve your investment goals. Remember to stay informed, diversify your portfolio, and review your watchlist regularly to get the most out of this valuable resource.